Hello everyone, if you also want to create your free AI based 3D logo like this in 5 seconds, you have to open any browser and search bing.com. It is a free AI website. From this website you can create your high quality 3D logo. First you have to sign up with your Microsoft account and then click to copilot, and here down click to more creative, and here you have to paste your prompt and click to submit. You have to wait for a while, it's auto generating the images. You can see here the images quality. Simply you can download it by clicking on download button. Again I am pasting a new prompt here and click to submit. Again wait for a second and you can see the images quality. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel and like the video.